Hi, my name is Bill, and this 4-minute video, which uses a video from my May 31st shoot on the Grand River, is going to take a look at some of the deconstruction of the Harpersfield Covered Bridge. Now, this bridge was originally built back in 1868, and the last major renovation was 1991. So it's been a long time since they had any work done on it, so they decided to invest $6 million to get this bridge entirely renovated, and that means completely taking it down board by board, including the supports that you see standing there in the river. You see there's a sort of a piece of construction equipment with a lift on it that's supporting them, and it's actually in the river. And as I said, they're going to replace everything, and they're going to try and save all of the wood that they're taking down in this deconstruction process, and use as much of it as they can when they reconstruct it. Which is, this project is a long-term project. It's not scheduled to be done until December of next year, because this is an important bridge. It's actually in the National Registry of Historic Places. So, the Ashtabula County, where this is located, is very proud of this and the 18 or 17 other covered bridges in the county. So they really try to keep them up. The way that what they're doing here today, or actually 2 weeks ago is when this was shot, is they're taking down the decking, or the actual roadway or floorboards in this bridge. And the way they were doing that is they used a big chainsaw. Here we zoomed in to 2x here for a better look, and they used a big chainsaw like the kinds for taking down trees, and they saw on either side of the bottom supports, sweep up all the sawdust, because I guess they want to be neat and not let it all go into the river. And then they use that lift that you see sort of that's in the river, that's on the right hand side of the picture, and some crowbars and stuff, and they pry up that decking material, which is laminated 2x8s or 2x10s, I can't remember which. But at any rate, they save as much of that wood as they can, because when they're going to go to reconstruct this bridge, they want to use as much of the original wood that they have, so that it maintains its some of its historical accuracy. Because it's such a historic place, and as I said, it's mentioned in the National the Registry of Historic Places, just as many of the other covered bridges in Ashtabula County are. So they're taking their time, and because they're trying to save the wood and all that, it's going to take longer than if they just went in there helter-skelter and started ripping and tearing things apart and rebuilding or putting in a new bridge. So kudos to them for trying to do it right. And we'll see how it looks, and I'm going to take a trip down there maybe today and just take a look and see what it looks like. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the work going on there. If you have a comment, leave it below, and thanks for stopping by and watching. We'll see you in the next video.